Well, hi there, everybody, and good Thursday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here as we kick off our Thursday morning. We are behind a cold front that came through yesterday late in the day. That front brought, for a time, some brisk northerly winds. Those winds are starting to die back a little bit. We're still left with partly to mostly cloudy skies out there, and unfortunately, most of us have already seen our high temperature for today. Temperatures will not rise a whole lot during the day today, so partly to mostly cloudy. Winds will start to die back later today as high pressure builds in. If we see any precipitation, maybe a few flurries very early this morning off towards the southeast. Keeping partly cloudy skies this evening. Winds will die down tonight, but then actually turn more southerly as that high pressure moves to our east after midnight. So we may actually see our low temperature come right in the middle of the night in the low and mid-teens, and then slowly climbing temperatures towards sunrise tomorrow. So typical low temperatures happen right around or just prior to sunrise. We may actually see that low temperature closer to midnight tonight. Tomorrow, a light south and southwesterly breeze, partly cloudy skies, and a few degrees warmer tomorrow. Not going to be a real warm day out there, but a little warmer than today for most of us. How do temperatures look for today? Well, as I mentioned before, most of us already saw our high temperatures earlier this morning. Our afternoon's warmest temperatures will come again early afternoon hours, and that's when we could see low to mid-20s up north, partly sunny skies, maybe a few flurries. Out west, we're looking at temperatures in the mid-20s for afternoon's highest temperatures, at least partly to mostly cloudy. In the south, maybe some early flurries in northern Kansas, otherwise partly to mostly cloudy with mid to upper 20s for highs and mid to upper 20s to the east, with again a few early flurries in the far southeast, otherwise some decrease in clouds later today, partly to mostly cloudy skies out there. Next couple of days, well, down to 13 tonight, that's a middle of the night low temperature. And then upper 20s to near 30 degrees for a high on Friday with partly cloudy skies out there. Saturday, more clouds, but a big storm system looks to remain off to our south. And in fact, I do want to show you something real quick here. There are already actually winter storm watches in place across parts of Oklahoma and Texas. They're not only looking at a chance of some snow and some accumulating snow this Friday and Saturday here, they could see some icing. A pretty good icing event could cause some big problems down there. So we are missing out on that storm system. We just might see kind of a shield of clouds here across parts of Nebraska and northern Kansas. So I'm going to call it mostly cloudy, the high around 30 degrees. Notice those lows the next several nights will be chilly down in the low and mid-teens. 30 again for your Sunday. We will see a little more sunshine at least on Sunday. 33 on Monday, so it's starting to warm up a little bit more, a lot of sunshine. A few more clouds on Tuesday, but we do get that temperature up into the upper 30s. Average high this time of year is in the upper 30s, so we'll be pretty close to that. Small chance of snow. There's a very weak front that comes through Tuesday night, so I'm going to call for a very small chance of light snow overnight Tuesday night. Does not look like it'll amount to much. Maybe a couple of degrees cooler behind that front, but I still think we're talking mid to upper 30s on Wednesday. And looking at the long-range forecast, most long-range forecasts kind of keep the temperatures a little bit better beyond the 7-day forecast, and not as much of the 20s, maybe more of the 30s and 40s down the road. Some forecast models even hit into 50s down the road, although I'm a little skeptical on that as of right now, but at least going to see 30s and 40s. And if you're talking 40s this time of the year, you're above average. That's a good thing. So again, it is December after all. So anyway, that is your forecast for today. Like I said, there's not a lot of great news, but there's not a lot of bad news either in the forecast. Just kind of a forecast here in the coming days ahead. I'm glad we're not dealing with the mess that they're going to see down to our south and eventually out in the eastern United States here this weekend. They have a whole different ball game compared to our few clouds that we'll see around over the weekend, especially on Saturday. So anyway, with that, I will leave you. Hope you all have a wonderful Thursday. We'll see you all again early on Friday morning. Take care. God bless. Bye.